Hi guys and welcome to FX Market Strategy. We'll look at the market right now. Please confirm if the sound is good. So yesterday we gave the euro dollar sell. I think was really nice. It did make about 80 bips profit, so that was nice. So right now we're not gonna buy this up wave in the euro dollar. We're just gonna wait the down wave. I do expect the down wave to be quick. So wait till we get reversal price action again. Possibly we'll get another 20 bips up or so, then it will fall. You guys watch today's Friday, and usually Fridays a lot of people close position and you get quick action in the market. The pound has been falling really bad lately, so it's been too risky. Just to see what's going on in the market right now, you can see the Canadian is really weak. Probably this oil is falling, and USD is still weak also. Okay, but I do expect this to reverse. Hi, Mr. Hassan, how are you? Hi, Mr. Raynan. Hi, Mr. Rasi, how are you? Hi, Mr. Hassan. Hi, Mr. Akram. Hi, Soto. Hi, Seker. Okay guys, so how can we trade this right now? We're not interested in any of this so far, but would the pound offer a buy now? Well, if you look at the MACD, this definitely is no sell, okay? And this expanding pattern, I do believe, is over, and we need either a reverse or a correction in this area. Chart is not very clear. So the pound, it may continue going down, but also we may get a reverse. Right now, you should wait a little bit of price action. If you get a price action, a price break, and sustain above this level, like this, and retest hopefully like this, then start going back up. This possibly will be a good area to buy the pound. If you do buy the pound, what would be the best pair to buy it against? Possibly Japanese yen and CHF. So pound, Japanese yen, pound, CHF will be possibly the best two things to buy. Okay. In the last weekly forecast, we said to look for the sell in the pound, Australian pound, New Zealand, and avoid pound franc, pound, Japanese yen. The pound did crash so bad against everything terribly. So anyway, the pound, Australian pound, New Zealand sells we discussed, both were good. Okay. For the euro, yesterday we did give this signal right here from this area. I think you guys still remember this box. So what we can see right now, this will go a little bit up here, then will come down strongly. Okay. Gold possibly will come down before it goes up, guys. Okay. So yesterday. There is a CPI in the US after 10 minutes, I believe. This possibly will have some action in the gold also, so this will cause some volatility, possibly not too much, but some. Canadian is weak, so Euro Australian possibly will offer a good sell, guys. Okay, so Euro Australian also will offer. Euro. So Euro Australian here, possibly it will come down. It has been ranging. Just to look at the big picture, but this one. So this possibly will come down, guys. Okay, Euro Australian. You can see at the rejection in this area 3 times right here. If you want to call this head and shoulder, it's okay, but so that. If you want to call it, that's probably fine. So this is kind of a reversal. So the price has been ranging in this area. One of the reasons is the euro has been strong because the dollar is falling, and the Australian also has been holding ground because the stock market is not that full. It's not falling that much. It's just kind of ranging. That's why you get this ranging, because the euro itself is still strong and the Australian index also strong. Okay, so if you look at the two indexes together, you're gonna get the combination of this. But in my opinion, this is going to break to the downside, not to the upside. Okay. Your stop loss, of course, is going to be at the top here, and target possibly will fall to the bottom right here. So you want to be only in the sell side of this one. I think this after this fall, that was just a correction right here, and we're going to get another fall, and possibly the next fall will be kind of strong. So this is the next wave I do expect to happen. Bound CHF, guys, we're gonna take a scalping. This is a strong downtrend. We can take a scalping trade right here, something small. Okay, and you have to use a stop loss right here. Of course, this is you're trying to catch the bottom, right? So this is about 70 pips, and target about hopefully you get 200 pips or so. So this is a trade we're gonna take. It's a little bit risky, to be honest with you. This may fall back down here, guys. Okay, it's not confirmed, but it's buy. Okay, so risky trade. Okay, so I put risk trade, don't risk more than 1% maximum. Because this may just be a small correction, then it's gonna crash again, continuation. In order to get a really signal, this has to go above here and sustain a little bit and start going back up. But you know, it's all about probabilities. So going back to the euro dollar, start falling, guys. Now we may start selling now, possibly. It may go back up a little bit, but it's not the worst case scenario that's gonna happen, I think. So we're gonna sell the euro dollar now. Hopefully we can get 50 pips of profit. Only 50 pips, guys, okay? Right there, okay? So we're gonna fix this to put the entry price right here, 1.1850, and target 1.1805, 45 pips, I guess. Okay, so this is the trade we are taking right now, hoping this will work out to be a good trade. Okay, guys. But as we mentioned, this may go up a little bit, so don't be too heavy, okay? Only take specific risk only. Because dollar index so far is still in a down wave right now. So dollar index, if it will continue to fall, means the euro dollar is gonna go up. So be careful of this one. Okay, guys. Yesterday, I believe we did catch this rise from here. Was really nice. And as the dollar index was going up, the euro dollar was crashing so bad. So what we expect in this wave, we expect a small wave down, just like this, which is gonna send the euro dollar a little bit up. But right at this level, which work out to be a resistance here, to be a support here, to be another support here, this to bounce back up and break above here. If this will continue all the way down here, then the gold is gonna go up and the euro dollar is gonna also go up, and that's not gonna be too good. Okay, so we do expect this to go up, not to go down. Let's see what happens. It's gonna take some time. Okay, it looks like it's falling now, which is good, but still don't over risk, guys. Okay, don't trade too much. Today is Friday, and technical does not work too much on Fridays. So the signal has gone so far so good, guys. Immediately in profit. We have been lucky, that's all. If dollar index is gonna go up, gold is gonna go down for a little bit, guys. So we said gold possibly is gonna go down a little bit, not too much. Okay. So possibly only to here, this area. But I will not sell it, okay? I expect the gold to fall to here, especially after this correction and start to break in below the correction right now. You can see this correction. Okay, just like that correction right here. Okay. And this is because the dollar index is going up, and I do expect the dollar index to go up a little bit, so the gold is gonna come down. So if you want to sell it, your stop loss need to be here because we want. Okay, but I will not join the sell. I will just take the euro dollar trade, and I will wait later on to buy the gold from a lower price because gold long term is going up, not down. So really, I prefer to take the buy, not to the sell. Frank CHFG. Frank is a sell, guys, only. Okay, so if you want to sell, this is a sell. We're gonna put this sell segment. Stop loss right here. Okay, and we're gonna go for 80 pips. Right here, the target. We said usually the franc goes in 45-degree. Probably expect like this wave. So we're gonna put this one. Okay guys, I hope this will work out good. Okay guys, let's look at the DAX here. You can see the market is really slow. Wait a break below this area to sell it. Right here, like this. Pound dollar. This is no buy yet, no confirmed buy yet. This may continue fall into 1.285. Euro dollar looks like it's taking the direction. We're just aiming for 50 pips right here. Euro Japanese yen is gonna follow the euro dollar, right? It's just if you sell the other one, there is no point to sell both. But if you want to sell, taking the big probability this will fall. So this also possibly will work out. Getting also 70 pips right here, okay? So this is the wave we're looking at right there. Hopefully it will work out good. Australian, we said possibly will fall. CHF JPY, hopefully we can get this fall also. Okay guys, this was it for now. Hopefully come later today to update